These students demonstrate the kind of progress and attitude we hope to see in all our students.
Our school's been a better place because of you guys.
They have made Bodwell a better place, and I thank them.
Congratulations to all of you.
These students have demonstrated exceptional self-discipline, maturity, and dedication.
I would like to recognize all students who participated in the Fall 2023 Math Contest.
We are thrilled to acknowledge the outstanding efforts and achievements of the talented participants.
These students are moving on, and I just want to give a really big thank you to them.
We do have a certain trophy to give out. In this container is the color of the winning house.